Okay, that's the part I'm trying to create. And there's the printer printing that part. Sort of, kind of. Of course, I'm printing it in black so it'll match my printer. And that box and that slopey front thing will replace this box and this panel. That will give me a box for the controls, and this little box up front will be liquid crystal display that will allow me to operate this printer without a computer. Yeah, that's it.